Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the adjectives cantankerous and ornery. Both of them describe a person who likes or tends to argue a lot, bicker, quarrel, etc. You may see them as grumpy or grouchy persons. So, what's the difference between them? Cantankerous. Cantankerous is about arguing a lot in a bad or serious manner. So, cantankerous people will argue with you because of their own pleasure, satisfaction, because of the sake of arguing. They love it. They will fight you back at them with arguments because they're enjoying it. But you may not enjoy it, and you may wish they were gone. But after they done with you, they move on to the next victim, and the cycle is repeating itself again and again, and they are cantankerous persons. What about ornery? Ornery describes a person that arguing a lot too, but in a playful or charmful manner. So, an ornery person may start a serious or a bad conversation with you, but they may transition it into a joke or some kind of pun smoothly. Transition it very smoothly, and you may see it, you may notice it. So they are ornery people. But now, at the end of this video, I want to present to you one example, and it's up to you to decide about what person this example is. So, let's start. May I say you're looking lovely today? Oh, thank you. To the blind, that is. What? I'm talking. All right, I think I better walk away slowly. Calm down. I'm just kneeling. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will be seeing you in the next episodes. Hope this example was very helpful to you, and now you understand the whole difference.